Hello everyone and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand the difference between the string and wrapper constructor in Python programming language. So without further wasting time, let's get started. The string and wrapper both are used to get a string representation of an object. For example, what I've done is I've created a simple variable that stores the data in the form of a string, and the string simply spells as Hackinons. And now let me print the string representation as well as the wrapper presentation of the object variable. And if I run this, as you can see, the two datas are getting printed as a representation. In the first case, this is just getting printed as Hackinons, while in the second output, it's getting printed with the quote marks. So as you can see, the output shown by the string representation as well as the wrapper representation are a bit different, but we will not be able to understand them completely with a simple example. So let's see some more examples right ahead. So following are the differences between the two representation objects. Firstly, string is used for creating output for end user, while wrapper is mainly used for debugging. So let's print this output and let's see what happens. So as you can see is I've simply created a NumPy object using the NumPy library, and that is an array, and then I'm printing the string representation of the NumPy object as well as the wrapper presentation. As you can see in the output window, the string representation is a simple array, while in the wrapper presentation it gives description of the type of the data type, which in this case is an array, and inside the array it gives the data present to us. So this would be more helpful when we are debugging or using some data while we are developing certain application. So the main goal of wrapper is to be more descriptive and more formal, while string is used to be more readable to the user. For example, if we suspect a small float or a small rounding error, the string object will not show that, but the wrapper object surely shows the small changes in our data. Hence, wrapper is known to compute the official representation of an object, and string is more like the informal representation of an object. Another example right down over here. So let me just recomment this code and comment this line of code. So what I've done is I've created a datetime library, and with that I've created a simple datetime object using the library's methods, and then I'm printing the string as well as the wrapper presentation. So as you can see, the string representation simply prints the date and the time, while the wrapper representation prints the library, that is datetime, as well as the object call, and within the object call it prints the data that is returned by the object. So as you can see, the wrapper object method gives more description to the data that we are working with. So that's the common differences between the string and the wrapper method. The string method is more used for maybe when you're working with a simple input output program that you want to show to a user, while the wrapper method could be more used in debugging and development cases when you want to see the exact representation and the data attributes of your objects. Well, that's it from this quick video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends. And we'll be back soon with more fun and interesting videos.